3. At the end of an age. Philosophy at the end of an age reveals a characteristic exhaustion in that it works its mined-out vein of thought into ever-receding corners of philosophy. Today there is an extensive surrender of the historic disciplines and problems of philosophy because of this exhaustion. The era of humanism or modernity, the belief in the present moment as its own truth and in man as his own ultimate, is rapidly facing radical collapse. As against this, the Christian philosopher must assert the doctrine of the triune God as the only answer to the problem of the one and the many, and to every aspect of man's life. Every attempt to answer the problem on any other premise not only confuses and compounds the problem, but also denies the common facts of life and experience. Apart from God, as Van Til pointed out, man negates himself. Man, as a law unto himself, has then neither a law, nor any identity, nor any principle of identity.